Hello class, welcome to week 5. So we are halfway done this class, and as we know, these 8-week classes go by quickly, so you gotta hold tight. As always, make sure that you checked the announcement section when you get into your Adobe Connect shell. One thing of interest especially is if you scroll down towards the bottom, towards the very beginning, I did post an announcement about the child abuse presentation, which is due at the end of this week. So it would behoove you to review this announcement in order to make sure that you're covering everything. I know that we talked about this in class last week, to make sure there's an audio section, and specifically you're thinking about this presentation like you are presenting to whatever population you chose. So you're going to want to have the audio component in order to do that. I noted that you can do this through Screencast-O-Matic like I'm doing right now. You could create a PowerPoint and then simply put the PowerPoint on your screen, go through the PowerPoint, narrate it. Folks have done that. Folks have done Prezis where they completed a Prezi presentation and added audio to that. Folks have done PowerPoints and added audio to the PowerPoint. So it's really however you want to add that audio component to your presentation. But let's go to week 5. I just wanted to mention that was all the way down there towards the beginning of the class. For week 5, we're going to be covering chapters 8 and 9, and then these various sections in the DSM-5. There's practice vignettes. If you click here, as always, there's the PDF that has several quotes and an introduction, the course learning objectives, and as well as a checklist. Here's the course material section. In the course material section, you're going to find the PowerPoints for chapters 8 and 9, as well as a little PDF graphic on communication styles and an article on conduct disorder interventions. So that's in the course material section. We go down here for assignments. Again, this is where you would submit your assignments. For this week, once again, it's a 2-week board. Your initial post is due this Friday by midnight of week 5. So that's what you have for the 2-week board. It is due this Friday by midnight, your initial posting. And it's the same exact setup as weeks 3 and 4. So pick a diagnosis from weeks 5 and 6 that you'd like to explore, and then choose 2 of these different activities to utilize in your initial posting, and that's due Friday by midnight of week 5. You have your quiz down here, and then here's just some general reminders, well, not general reminders, but information about the child abuse presentation. You can click here to see about the PDF, about the presentation, and then there's the rubric as well. And here is where you submit your child abuse presentation. So that's in the assignment section. And then if we go down here to activities, you're going to find practice scenarios. There's an assessment of ADHD here, assessment for conduct disorder, and then an article about the cognition in ADHD. So once again, this week you have a 2-week board. So for week 5, which is this week, you are to submit your initial post Friday by midnight, and you have quiz 5. Remember, please remember to keep working on your final assignment. Just like the PowerPoint assignment, if you go to announcements and you scroll down towards the bottom, you are going to find an announcement that really takes you through the final assignment. So I'm not going to do another video on that now, but if you need to start thinking about that more so, there's the video for that. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. Remember, we do not have an Adobe Connect recording session this week, but I am going to be posting an Adobe Connect lecture and give you instructions in order to get your 10 participation points for this week. Let me know, reach out to me as need be. Thanks, and I hope everyone had a nice Easter if you celebrate it.